pie graph. So a pie graph shows how total amount is divided between levels of categorical values as a circle divided into radial slices. So each categorical values corresponds with a single slice of circle, and the size of each slice, both in area and arc length, indicate that what portion of the whole each category level takes. So ito, pinakita dito yung sample, nakalagay siya sa degree. So kung halimbawa, pero pagka bata naman yung pinag-usapan, pwede namang, halimbawa, ilan yung bata na may favorite ang math sa section ganito. Diba, 50 yung bata. So pwedeng number ng students ang ilagay dito. Ganun din, pwede rin pong gamitin to, for example, sa budget ng school, saan ang gagaling yung lahat ng mga budget ng school. So for example, MOE, canteen, donation, LGU, ayun. So pwede nating ilagay yung hindi po yung percentage ng pinanggagalingan ng MO, kundi yung total amount, yung amount na sinasak niya. Yun. Pwede yun. And then we also have bar graph. So ang bar graph po natin yan, syempre ginamitan natin ang bar. Bar charts usually present categorical variables, discrete variables, or continuous variables grouped in class interval. So yeah, pwede pong gamitin yung